In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for time tracking. We'll set up a clean, reliable time tracking system in Notion using a free template so you can start logging your work sessions without building everything from scratch. Open Notion and create a new page. You can do this from the sidebar or the workspace home. Give the page a clear name, something like time tracking or daily log, so you always know where to add your entries. If you want, add an icon or cover to make the page easy to spot later, but the main goal right now is simply to create a space for your tracker. Inside that new page, look toward the bottom and click Templates. This opens Notion's template gallery, which includes both native examples and community-made options. Using templates is the fastest way to get a structured database with useful properties already set up. In the gallery, go to the Templates section to browse. You'll see categories for productivity, personal, and more. We're going to search instead of scrolling, which makes it much quicker to find exactly what we need. Use the search bar and type time tracking. You'll get a mix of time trackers, habit logs, and productivity dashboards. Take a moment to preview a few results. Look for essentials like a date property, a field for the task or project name, and a way to capture duration. If there's a free label or pricing indicator, pick a free option so you can add it instantly without extra steps. When you've found a template you like, click Add. Notion will import it into your workspace. If prompted, choose the destination, the page you just created, so the tracker lands in the right place. After a moment, you'll see the full template ready to use, complete with sample entries you can remove later. Now, edit the time tracking template to fit your workflow. Rename the database to something meaningful, update property names to match your terms, and remove fields you won't use to keep the layout clean. If the template includes tags or categories, customize them to reflect your projects or clients. Adjust views so you can switch between a table for quick entry, a calendar for a visual schedule, or a board grouped by project. Set sensible defaults. For example, have new entries auto-fill today's date to save time. Finally, skim any instructions the template author included, then clear sample data and test a single entry to confirm the date, duration, and category behave the way you expect. That's it. You created a new page, opened the template gallery, searched for time tracking, chose a free template, added it to your workspace, and tailored it to your needs. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and your Notion time tracker will become a dependable daily habit.